When you listen without on button, so this one is the voice, yeah, for no equalizer anything.
Ya, ini EQ-nya dimatikan. Jadi ini suaranya dia tanpa ekualisasi apapun.
After analog console, somebody asked us, okay, we have some feedback issue on, we are using analog console but we have some feedback issue and how to find the feedback frequency and how to remove it. And so I want to show you about that very shortly.
Ya, kita akan belajar bagaimana cara mendeteksi feedback dengan menggunakan mixer analog dan cara mengatasinya.
So this one is my channel here.
Ya, ini channel mikrofonnya, channel nomor 1.
Like this. If you can see the EQ and the button, there is a EQ on and off.
Ya, kita bisa lihat di bagian EQ-nya ada sebuah tombol untuk mengaktifkan dan mematikan EQ.
Yeah, when I visit some church, they adjust many equalizer for their church, but they didn't often. They
Ya,
didn't push the button.
di beberapa gereja mereka sudah setting begitu rupa EQ-nya, tapi lupa menyalakan EQ-nya.
But they say sound is better.
Tapi mereka bilang ini soundnya baik nih, bagus nih soundnya.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Ya, itu nggak apa-apa deh.
So please remember, please don't forget it. After when you adjust equalizer, you need to push this button, and then after that, you wanna try to compare the before and after. You can do that push and button.
Ya, perlu diingat jangan lupa untuk menyalakan EQ-nya dulu sebelum melakukan pengaturan. Dan setelah pengaturan kita bisa melakukan perbandingan before dan after. Jadi tombolnya kita tekan, kita lepas, kita tekan. Ada bedanya atau enggak?
When you listen without on button, so this one is the voice, yeah, for no equalizer anything.
Ya, ini EQ-nya dimatikan. Jadi ini suaranya dia tanpa ekualisasi apapun.
Yeah, so little boomy because this hole is a small and enclosed place, and the low frequency, the wavelength is too much make the resonance.
Ya, dikarenakan ruangan ini kecil, jadi akan terdengar bumi dan pantulannya kemana-mana.
Yeah, if I using this microphone for my home studio or headphone, it gonna be no problem.
Jika mikrofon ini digunakan di home studionya atau recording, dalam kondisi recording, tidak akan jadi masalah.
Because this microphone is very good microphone, and also the manufacturer make analog console is very as well.
Ya, karena mikrofon ini didesain cukup baik, begitu juga dengan mixernya, perusahaannya mendesainnya cukup baik.
But problem is acoustic, your hall, the worship hall.
Ya, masalahnya ada di akustik ruangan ya teman-teman.
Yeah, if I reduce the volume, this one to check, a little bit better to understand what I'm saying.
Jika saya mengurangi volumenya, mungkin akan terdengar sedikit lebih baik. Teman-teman bisa mengerti apa yang saya bicarakan.
But you feel a little the volume is low.
Tapi teman-teman ngerasa terlalu kecil volumenya.
So if I increase the volume right now, so you can listen loudly, but the boomy sound is gonna happen.
Ya, kalau saya naikkan volumenya, teman-teman akan bisa mendengar lebih kencang. Tapi begitu juga dengan low frekuensinya akan naik juga.
So our main purpose to adjust the equalizer, we wanna increase the volume, but we wanna reduce the boomy sound.
Jadi tujuan utama kita dalam meng-EQ adalah menghilangkan frekuensi buminya, tetapi menaikkan volumenya.
Yeah. So let me push the EQ on button.
Ya, ini EQ-nya ditekan.
1, 2, check, 1, 2, check, 1, 2, check, 1, 2, check. So now I just applied some of the EQ. As you can see, I just little cut the high mid frequency and little cut the low frequency and little cut the low.
Ya, seperti yang teman-teman dengar, dia melakukan adjustment, dia memotong sedikit di high frequency, di high mid frequency, di low mid frequency, dan low-nya dipotong sedikit juga.
But if I don't affect this one, it's gonna be booming.
Jika EQ-nya tidak dinyalakan, ya balik lagi seperti tadi.
Okay, let's try to the like 10 o'clock, something like that. So let me just the 12 o'clock like this one, and like this one.
Oke, kalau tadi di arah jam 10, kita coba di arah jam 12 seperti apa?
Okay, first I want to show you if it's the 100 Hz. This one.
Oke.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Ya, itu tadi HPF-nya dilepas, 100 Hz dilepas langsung feedback.
That is good example. If you have a subwoofer on the top, on the near the stage, your microphone will get a very low frequency from the subwoofer. It's gonna be feedback.
Ya, itu masalah kalau kita menggunakan subwoofer. Jadi mikrofon ini akan menangkap low frekuensi dan sistem akan memperkuat kembali masuk ke mikrofon dan begitu looping jadi feedback.
Yeah. So if you don't have a subwoofer, you don't have to worry about the low frequency feedback, something like that. But if you have a subwoofer, it gonna happen.
Kalau kita tidak memakai subwoofer, artinya kita tidak perlu pusing soal low frekuensi. Tapi kalau ketika kita memakai subwoofer, artinya kita perlu memikirkan hal itu.
My microphone don't need below 100 Hz, but your subwoofer, bass amp, whatever, this microphone to pick up the low frequency if you don't push the local button, okay?
Ya, suara dia tidak butuh frekuensi di bawah 100 Hz, tetapi subwoofer mengeluarkan frekuensi 100 Hz dan kalau mikrofon ini bisa menangkap lagi, dia akan teruskan ke sistem.
And let me put in the EQ button, push.
Ya, EQ-nya ditekan kembali.
But still, my sound is not good. It's a little boomy, right?
Ya, ini suaranya tidak terlalu bagus, masih terdengar bumi.
I just adjust little, turn left, white one, but still the boomy, right?
Ya, dia akan mengatur ulang.
Because this one is the boost and the cut. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. The black one is a boost and cut.
Ya, untuk knob yang hitam itu difungsikan untuk memboost atau mengcut.
If you set up the frequency range, the position, but if you don't adjust this one, it never gonna change.
Oke, kita boleh mengatur frekuensi berapa di knob yang putih, tetapi jika kita tidak mengatur yang hitam, mengcut atau memboostnya, taruh di tengah, itu artinya kita tidak memproses apa-apa.
Okay, let's try some adjustment equalizer.
Oke, kita coba beberapa ekualisasi.
Okay, I think it's gonna be a little too much boomy, so let me cut a little low cut.
Ya, ini suaranya terdengar agak bumi, dia akan coba potong low-nya sedikit.
So it's too cut. Now it's better, but little I need more ones.
Ya, terdengar lebih baik, tapi tetap butuh ada warm, ada. Kalau orang audio bilangnya warm sih teman-teman. Nggak tahu kalau di Indonesiain apa, mohon maaf. Yeah. Kalau hangat kan teh kayaknya.
I will increase the low volume. That is nothing anything. It's too boomy. It just cut. Want to check, like this one. This one is a little better, but this one is a little not good sound. Okay? Wow,
yeah.
Wow.
Dia terlalu kering jadinya, tidak ada dagingnya.
Let me set up around here, like 10 o'clock.
Ya, ini jam 10 posisinya.
And still I have, let me put up this one. Oh, it's very boomy. But if I put in the EQ, it's better.
Ya, kita bisa melihat perbedaannya ketika EQ-nya dinyalakan dan dimatikan. Ketika EQ-nya dimatikan, suaranya agak gaung di low frequency.
But still I don't like the low, something like that.
Tapi dia masih belum suka soal low problemnya.
If we don't know what frequency exact is problem, you just try to increase the booster, the knob.
Kalau kita tidak bisa tahu frekuensi berapa yang jadi masalah, kita coba untuk men-sweepnya, kita angkat pelan-pelan.
So let's try like this dB, like 6 to 10 dB, like 2 o'clock.
Ya, ini diangkat 10 sampai 15 dB di posisi jam 2.
And just try, oh it's very boomy. Just try from the left and to the right.
Nah, kita coba sweep frekuensinya ya, pakai knob yang putih dari kiri sampai ke kanan.
1, 2, check, 1, 2, check, 1, two check, 1 2 check, 1 2 check. Whoa, yeah, here is
Yeah.
very helpful, right?
Ya, ini frekuensi yang bermasalah menurut kuping dia.
More right, 1 2 check, 1 2 check. More, it's not booming, right?
Ya, yang ini di semakin ke kanan semakin nggak bumi.
1 2 check, 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 1 2 check. Whoa, here.
Ya, ini
It's
dia
very
frekuensinya
problem.
yang bermasalah.
Right? And I just found it's very boomy sound. I don't like that here. So let me try to go back and let me turn down a little bit.
Ya, dia akan meng-cut frekuensi yang bermasalah tadi.
1 2 check, 1 2 check. Now I fixed it. Low frequency, low boomy, right? Yeah, 1 2 check, 1 2 check. Let's try off. 1 2 check, 1 2 check.
Yeah.
This boomy sound in this hole, and click. Push like this. 1 2 check, 1 2 check.
Ya, bisa lihat perbedaannya ketika EQ-nya dinyalakan dan dimatikan.
But still, I don't like that. It's booming is removed, but still I like wah like a how say like a wah sound.
Ya, cempreng ya masih teman-teman ya. Dia masih belum suka, masih terdengar cempreng.
That is not booming, just wow. It's gonna be high mid frequency. Right?
Ya, terdengar seperti kaleng, itu pasti frekuensi high mid.
So let's try same way. This each way. That is just a simple way for the beginner, okay?
Ya, ini cara yang mudah untuk para pemula.
So let's try to do like here.
Ya, kita boost
2
dulu
o'clock.
untuk high mid frekuensinya di jam 2, kemudian kita sweep lagi teman-teman. Frekuensi cari frekuensi yang bermasalah.
And from the left to the right, I will try that. 1 2 check, 1 2 check, 1 2 check, 1 2 1 yeah here. 1 2 check, 1 2 check. Here is fine. Here is fine. Range 1 2 check, 1 2 check, 1 2 check. Well, yeah, here. I don't like that.
Ya, frekuensi yang bermasalah di 1 kHz teman-teman.
1 2 check. Yeah, it's about wow. I don't like
Yeah.
this one. So let me cut a little bit.
Ya.
Go back and
Ini
cut.
baru kita potong.
1 2 check, 1 2 check. Like this one. Wow. It's fine. But if you increase this portion, wow. I don't like this one. Okay.
Ya.
Wow. Like a megaphone.
Megafon, ya.
Wow.
Terdengar seperti
I don't like that.
megafon.
So let me cut this one. Wow. It's a little better. Wow. Yeah. And let me little more air. I need more air because it's too, little dry. So I want a little more air.
Ya,
Want
ini
to
juga bahasanya sebenarnya udara, air itu, tapi sebenarnya bukan udara. Ini istilah audio untuk suara air.
So this one is the original sound.
Ini suara original tanpa EQ.
And this one is a little crispy, little better understand what I'm saying.
Ya, ini lebih garing kedengarannya.
So if I will give you some EQ chart for your church,
Saya akan membagikan EQ chart untuk teman-teman semua.
I will provide this. I will present to you everybody to this chart.
Ya, jangan khawatir nanti dibagiin, nggak usah difoto.
I just made it. My friend.
Wahai.
So, you can download on your iPhone and tablet, PC or whatever, and you can share the data for your church team, okay?
Ya, bisa di-download di iPhone. Ya nggak mesti iPhone sih, Android juga bisa ya.
Whatever.
Di PC atau di tablet, terserah.
There's English version, but if you ask the chat ABT AI,
Yeah.
it's gonna be translate. It's very good translate for your language.
Ya, ini bahasa Inggris tapi teman-teman bisa pakai chat GPT, jangan pakai Google Translate, nanti berantakan.
So I just said what bass guitar, each instrument have what character and how adjust some equalizer point and compressor, gate, something like that.
Ya, ini contoh untuk bass gitar, drum, jadi ekualisasi seperti apa yang bisa diterapkan dan kompresornya seperti apa, settingan dynamic processingnya seperti apa.
This is not answer, okay?
Ya, ini bukan jawaban,
But most of your church gonna use a very similar microphone, similar brand, and similar worship service.
ya, tapi kemungkinan gereja-gereja memakai mikrofon yang sama, mixer yang brand yang sama.
So you can use this paper, this data as a beginning point.
Ya, ini bisa dipakai sebagai titik permulaan.
So, if you learn how to find and how to adjust the equalizer later, you can just find some like a 2K, 1K, whatever, just set that and just boost and cut. You can try that.
Oke, jadi seperti yang sudah ditunjukkan tadi, kalau teman-teman mau fine tuning gitu ya, kita bisa mencoba di frekuensi 1 kilo, 2 kilo, terus kita boost. Kemudian ya seperti tadi yang cara sudah ditunjukkan.
But if you don't know how to do that, just try, just boost it like 2-3 o'clock, little more like a 6 to 10 dB, and just try to turn left to the right, just to find what frequency we have problem.
Ya, jadi caranya tadi di boost dulu frekuensinya, kemudian kita coba putar sweep frekuensinya, kita dengar frekuensi mana yang mungkin nggak enak didengar telinga, baru kita potong.
Usually, if you find what frequency have the problem, you can fix it, the feedback too.
Ketika kita juga sudah tahu frekuensi mana yang bermasalah, ini bisa diterapkan juga untuk mengatasi feedback.
Okay, let me take out this button, this very moody.
Ya, ini kita lepas EQ-nya.
No, sorry about that. Let me just turn it on. Yeah, turn it on.
Oke, ini dinyalakan.
So now I just reduce the wah-wah sound is here to cut the little cut to the 10 o'clock.
Ya, ini mid frekuensinya dipotong di jam 10 posisinya.
But your vocal, if your vocal, just say, okay, I need more loud the volume on the monitor, and we can increase their monitor volume.
Ya, tapi ketika kita mau mau suara kita lebih besar di monitor, kita bisa mengangkatnya di aux section tadi.
So let me a little bit increase it. This is aux 1.
Ya, ini aux 1.
So
mau coba diangkat.
Increase a little more volume like this one. Want to check like this.
Ini monitor yang ada di depan kami.
It's loud.
Akan menjadi sangat keras.
But now at this moment, feedback, right?
Saat sekarang tidak ada feedback.
It's no feedback.
Tidak ada feedback.
Because I already found this wah-wah and their feedback point in here.
Karena dia tadi sudah mengadjust frekuensi mid high-nya.
But if you don't do that, like this one, and you can find it. Ya, ketika tidak di-adjust baru timbul masalah feedback. And like this one.
Ya, ada feedback di high frequency, high mid frequency.
Because, why? I just know if I'm getting wah-wah sound, if I don't like this one, it's gonna be happen. Your vocal microphone gonna be happen the feedback.
Ya, ketika kita mendengar dari awal sudah ada masalah di frekuensi tertentu, itu pasti akan menimbulkan feedback kalau kita tidak atasin.
Yeah, so let me cut again here, like 10 o'clock.
Ya, kita potong kembali di posisi jam 10.
Please switch want to check. So now, want to check. There's no feedback, right?
Ya, sekarang tidak ada feedback.
Still, volume is max right here.
Ya, ini pada posisi volumenya maksimal ya teman-teman.
It's too loud right now. It's too loud.
Ya, tapi terlalu keras jadinya.
But even your microphone, like here. Oh, sorry about that. Like here, it's fine. Okay, but it's too loud right now.
Ya, walaupun di mikrofonnya didekatkan, tapi tetap akan jadi terlalu keras.
So let me reduce a little bit down. Want to check? Like this. Oh, now it's good.
Ya, sekarang volumenya tepat. Tidak ada feedback. Ya.
No feedback, right? Yeah. This is magic.
Wah.
Okay, it's not magic. You need to do that. Okay, this is equalizer. If you're using analog console, digital console, whatever the same way, okay? For remove the feedback or remove something, whatever, that's the same way. You can try that.
Ya, ini cara yang sama bisa diterapkan di mixer analog, begitu juga di mixer digital pastinya.